Hello everyone, this is Tilla at Perfect Pronunciation Academy. Today I'm going to be talking about the vowel O, which is actually a diphthong, which has got two sounds in there, O, and that's a sound that Japanese speakers struggle with when speaking in English, mainly because you would say, and let me just find the word, O sound. So O, right, with the lips more closed and more tight, and O, which has got a more of a bigger drop of your jaw, put it that way. I'll do a couple of comparisons with the O sound. So boat, and if you say bought, is when you go to the shop and buy something. Phone, O sound in the middle. Phone is when I really like someone. Load, and if I say Lord, it's for God, or my Lord. Call, as in charcoal, and then call, I'm calling someone. Note, as I'm taking a note, and not is a zero. So this is really tricky. So what I would encourage you to do is to keep listening to the sounds and then notice the difference first. After you notice the difference, you can actually speak it differently. You can pronounce the O, like Santa Claus, ho ho ho. Practice like that with an O sound, and then do an O, like rowing the boat with an O, and you will know the difference. So this is a tricky one, but keep plodding away on that one. And if you have any questions or comments about this video, or more questions about any sounds, please drop me a line, and feel free to drop by at perfectpronunciationacademy.com so that you can pick up your free ebook. See you in the next video.